Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting hair products for kids, the MSDADA new hair chalk comb. This is hands down one of the best temporary hair color products, especially for those who want a fun and colorful hair makeover without the commitment. It's particularly great for kids, especially if you're looking for a temporary gray hair chalk option. So, let's get into it. The MSDADA hair chalk comb comes in two classic colors, black and white. These colors are perfect for creating a stylish, fun look that is sure to catch attention. Whether it's for a birthday, a cosplay event, or just a fun DIY hair makeover at home, this product offers a quick way to transform your look. But what makes it truly special is how it's designed. The mini-sized comb allows for easy application on small sections of hair, making it perfect for kids aged 4 and up. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use. All you need to do is dampen the hair, then simply brush the chalk comb downwards through small sections. Make sure to seal the chalk with a blow dryer and finish it off with a little hairspray or gel to set the color. The result? Vibrant temporary hair color that lasts up to 3 days. What's even better is that it's non-allergenic, environmentally friendly, and easily washable. After the fun is over, just wash the hair with regular shampoo, and the color will come right out. The best part about this hair chalk is its versatility. It's not just for everyday fun. It's an ideal gift for those creative little minds during holidays, birthdays, or other special occasions. It's a fun way to express oneself, and for kids who love experimenting with their appearance, this chalk is the perfect solution. Plus, it's small enough to carry around, making it easy to use anytime, anywhere. As for its performance, while it's designed for lighter hair shades like blonde, applying it to darker hair can be a bit trickier. But with a bit of patience and the right technique, you can still get some colorful results. Just remember to use a hair dryer to seal the color and a bit of hairspray to lock it in place. In terms of durability, the chalk may feel a little sticky when applied, but once you've sealed it, it's good to go for a few days of fun. And don't worry about staining your pillowcase at night. Simply wash it out before bed to keep everything clean. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best gray hair chalk for kids, this MSDADA temporary hair color comb is a fantastic option. It's easy to use, fun, and completely safe for children, making it the perfect choice for creative play and quick transformations. Whether you're looking for a new look for a party or just want to add some flair to a regular day, this product is a must-try. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews on the best products out there.